Today, let's learn 100 of the most common idioms in British English. Part A. Put your money where your mouth is. Back up words with actions. If you believe in the project, put your money where your mouth is. If you believe in the project, show it with action. Rome wasn't built in a day. Big things take time. Be patient, Rome wasn't built in a day. Be patient, big things take time. The tip of the iceberg. A small part of a bigger problem. This issue is just the tip of the iceberg. This is only a small part of a bigger problem. Throw someone under the bus. Betray someone for self-benefit. He threw his colleague under the bus to save himself. He betrayed his colleague to protect himself. Time flies. Time passes quickly. Time flies when you're having fun. Time passes quickly when you're having fun. Turn a blind eye. Ignore something. He turned a blind eye to her mistakes. He ignored her mistakes. Water under the bridge. Something in the past. All that is water under the bridge now. All that is in the past now. When pigs fly. Never. He'll apologize when pigs fly. He will never apologize. You can't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge by appearance alone. You can't judge a book by its cover. Don't judge by appearance alone. A leopard can't change its spots. People don't change easily. Be careful, a leopard can't change its spots. Be careful, people don't change easily. All ears. Carefully listening. I'm all ears, tell me what happened. I'm listening carefully, tell me what happened. Backseat driver. A person who gives unwanted advice. Stop being a backseat driver when I'm cooking. Stop giving unwanted advice when I'm cooking. Cold feet. Get nervous. He got cold feet before the wedding. He got nervous before the wedding. Down in the dumps. Feeling sad. She's been down in the dumps all week. She has been feeling sad all week. Elephant in the room. An obvious issue being ignored. No one mentioned the elephant in the room. No one mentioned this obvious issue. Face the music. Accept the consequences. It's time to face the music for your actions. It's time to accept the consequences. Fish out of water. Uncomfortable in a situation. She felt like a fish out of water at the party. She felt uncomfortable at the party. Get your act together, start behaving properly. You need to get your act together and focus. You need to start behaving properly and focus. Give the benefit of the doubt. Trust someone without proof. I'll give you the benefit of the doubt this time. I'll trust you without proof this time. Have a change of heart. Change your opinion. She had a change of heart about moving away. She changed her opinion about moving away. Hit the road. Leave or begin a journey. Let's hit the road before traffic gets bad. Let's leave before traffic gets bad. In a pickle. In trouble. I'm in a pickle and need your help. I'm in trouble and need your help. Keep your chin up. Stay strong. Keep your chin up, things will get better. Stay strong, things will improve. Know the ropes. Be experienced. She knows the ropes after many years here. She is experienced after many years here. Leave no stone unturned. Try everything. The team left no stone unturned to find a solution. The team tried everything to find a solution. Make a long story short. Summarize. To make a long story short. We missed the flight. To summarize. We missed the flight. Not the end of the world. Not that bad. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. Don't worry, it's not that bad. On thin ice. In a risky situation. He's on thin ice with his boss. He is in a risky situation with his boss. Out of the woods. Out of danger. She's finally out of the woods after her illness. She is finally out of danger after her illness. Pass the buck. Shift responsibility. Don't pass the buck, take responsibility. Don't shift the responsibility, own it. Put a sock in it. Be quiet. Put a sock in it, I'm trying to think. Be quiet, I'm trying to think. Raining cats and dogs. Very heavy rain. It's raining cats and dogs outside. It's raining very heavily outside. Read between the lines. Understand the hidden meaning. You have to read between the lines to see the truth. You have to understand the hidden meaning to see the truth. Saved by the bell. Rescued at the last moment. I was saved by the bell when she came. I was rescued at the last moment when she came. Shape up or ship out. Improve or leave. You need to shape up or ship out of this team. You need to improve or leave this team. Sink or swim. Succeed or fail. In this new job. You're on your own, sink or swim. You have to either succeed or fail in this new job. Smell a rat. Suspect something's wrong. I smell a rat in this deal. I suspect something is wrong in this deal. Steal someone's thunder. Take attention away from someone. He stole my thunder by announcing the news first. He took the attention away from me by announcing the news first. Take the bull by the horns. Face a problem bravely. He took the bull by the horns and spoke up. He faced the problem bravely and spoke up. The whole 9 yards. Everything possible. She went the whole 9 yards to win the contract. She did everything possible to win the contract. Through thick and thin. In good times and bad. She stayed by my side through thick and thin. She stayed with me in good times and bad. Touch wood. Knock on wood for good luck. I haven't been ill all year, touch wood. I haven't been ill all year, knock on wood for good luck. Turn the tables. Reverse a situation. She turned the tables and won the match. She reversed the situation and won the match. Under your nose. Clearly visible. The answer was right under your nose. The answer was clearly visible. Wrap your head around something. Understand something complex. I can't wrap my head around these rules. I can't understand these complex rules. You reap what you sow. Actions have consequences. Be careful, you reap what you sow. Be careful, your actions have consequences. Zip your lip. Keep a secret. Zip your lip about this plan. Keep this plan a secret. Go down in flames. Fail spectacularly. The project went down in flames. The project failed spectacularly. Hang in there. Don't give up. Hang in there, you're doing great. Don't give up, you're doing great. It takes 2 to tango. Both parties are responsible. Remember. It takes 2 to tango in an argument. Remember. Both people are responsible in an argument. Well done. You've learned 100 useful English idioms. Like this video. Leave a comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more English learning resources.